Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Soul here, and today we are going to use shapes and lines to draw pictures of things in nature. So on here, we are going to review the shapes. So as you see, if we start right here, we have a circle, a triangle, a trapezoid, rectangle, square, oval, half a circle, straight line, curved line, and zigzag. Now, as we've been working this week, we've been working with these shapes to create people or animals. Today, we're going to create things in nature. So I want you to look very closely at these things in nature and think, what shapes and lines do I see? So Miss Sewell sees circles in the sun with some rectangles. I see some triangles on the tree. I see some ovals as raindrops. So what we're going to do is you're going to watch me draw a picture of a flower in grass using shapes and lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to draw that nice purple flower right there for us to see. So I'm going to look at it first, and I'm seeing the center is a circle. So I'm going to take my marker, and I'm going to draw a big circle. Now, inside the circle, it looks like there is a spiral or a lot of curved circles. So I'm going to start in the center, and I want to spiral here. Next, I see a bunch of little circles surrounding it that are pink. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of circles. Next, I'm looking at the purple petals, and what I'm seeing is they kind of look like trapezoids or rectangles with a little jagged edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my bottom one. I'm going to go down and then do a little swirlies and then connect. I'm going to go down, do a little swirly and connect, and keep doing that for as many petals that fit. Now, Miss Sewell is trying her hardest, but my picture is probably not going to look exactly like the picture on there because every flower is different. So next, I see that there are some lines coming up from the center. So I'm going to do some lines. Next, I want to look at the stem, and the stem looks like it's a large, very skinny rectangle. So I'm going to do skinny rectangle all the way to the bottom and back up. And now next, I'm going to do the leaves. They kind of look like squished ovals. And then from there, it looks like there are lines coming off of them. And then for the grass, it looks like a bunch of triangles. So I want you to do triangles all over. And do some in between. So it is just a lot of triangles. And if Miss Sewell had colors, it would end up looking like that. So I know my flower is humongous and looks a little different, but I did use my shapes and I tried my hardest. Now, I want you to go get your notebook or whiteboard, and I want you to draw the next shape with me for our nature.